Hi everybody, so let's have a look at this here. So you should have a copy of the lecture notes, and in the lecture notes you see that this is our initial problem here. We are given that this is a square and we want to compute a plus b plus c plus d. Okay, so it's pretty clear here that, given that this is a square, we can start putting things together. In particular, we know that the distance from p to q here, right, from negative 3, 0 to 4, 0, we know that's a distance of 7 here, so I can go ahead and fill that in, and therefore we know that all the sides have a length of 7. Now, of course, the question now comes, how do we get the coordinates out of this? Well, one thing to note about this square is that you can see that PQ here, you go from negative 3, 0 to 4, 0 here. So this is a horizontal line, right? Because the y-coordinates are not changing. So this means here, since this is a square, all the angles are right angles here. This is horizontal, which implies that SR is horizontal, and RQ being perpendicular to a horizontal line has to be a vertical line. Now, one thing you may remember about vertical lines is that with vertical lines, the x-coordinates are the same, right? The run doesn't change, the rise does. So that means we can very easily show that A is 4 here, right? Because it's going to inherit this x-coordinate from Q, and by the same token, this is C, point S is going to inherit the x-coordinate from here, and we know C is negative 3. Okay. Now we can go for B and D here. Now again, we note that in this situation we've gone 7 units up here, right? So by advancing upward like this, it makes sense that B is therefore 7 and D is therefore 7 as well. So now we can put this all together and see what's going on. So therefore A plus B plus C plus D. So now we can write this out. A plus B plus C plus D here. In this case we can put it all together. So it's going to be 4 plus 7 minus 3 plus 7 here, and we see that we have 11 minus 3 is 8 plus 7 should be a total of 15. Alternately, right, you know that this is 7 plus 7, that's 14, 14 minus, and then you have a plus 1, that's also 15 as well.